Imagine you're relaxing at home when you suddenly notice smoke coming from another room. Would you know exactly what to do? A house fire can spread much faster than many people realize, turning a small problem into a dangerous emergency in just a few minutes. In an emergency, the decisions you make during the first moments can have a major impact on your safety. Unfortunately, many people waste valuable time trying to gather belongings instead of getting to safety. That's why preparing ahead of time and knowing the correct steps can help protect both you and your family. In this video, we'll explore the most important things you should do if a fire breaks out in your home. The moment you notice smoke or fire, your first priority is not to panic, but to quickly recognize what is happening. Stay calm, because panic can slow your thinking and lead to wrong decisions. Quickly look around and identify where the smoke or fire is coming from. If it's safe, move away from the source of danger immediately. Do not waste time trying to investigate too closely, especially if smoke is getting thicker. Your awareness in the first few seconds can determine how safely you respond to the situation. Once you see smoke or fire inside your home, your first priority is to leave immediately without hesitation. Do not waste time trying to save your belongings, even if they are important or expensive. In a fire, your safety is more important than anything you own inside the house. If there is smoke, stay low, because cleaner air is found closer to the floor. Move quickly toward the nearest exit, but stay aware of where you are going. Never go back inside once you are already escaping the fire. Getting out safely is always the fastest and smartest decision you can make. After you notice a fire and start moving out, your next priority is to immediately alert everyone else inside the house. Shout loudly to warn family members, especially those who may not have seen or noticed the danger yet. Make sure to wake up anyone who is sleeping, because smoke can spread faster than people realize. If there are children, elderly, or injured people, help them first before anything else. Do not assume others already know. Always take action and communicate clearly. Clear communication can save lives by making sure no one is left behind during evacuation. Always remember, escaping safely also means making sure everyone else gets out safely too. Once everyone is aware and moving, the next step is to follow your safest and planned escape route out of the house. Always try to use the nearest and safest exit instead of going deeper into the house. If possible, close doors behind you to help slow down the spread of fire and smoke. Stay aware of obstacles like furniture, stairs, or blocked pathways while moving quickly but carefully. If you encounter smoke, stay low and continue moving toward the exit without stopping. Never use elevators during a fire. Always use stairs if you are in a multi-level home. Following a clear and calm exit strategy greatly increases your chances of getting out safely. Once you are safely outside the house, your next critical step is to immediately call emergency services for help. Do not delay the call, even if you think the fire is small or already under control. When calling, clearly explain your exact location so responders can find your home quickly. Stay calm while giving important details like what is burning and if anyone is still inside. Never go back inside the house once you have already escaped, even if you forgot something important. Your safety must always come first before any property or personal belongings. Quick action and a proper emergency call can make a huge difference in saving lives and preventing further damage. One of the best ways to survive a house fire is to prevent it from happening in the first place. Always turn off stoves, gas, and electrical appliances when they are not in use. Never overload electrical outlets, because this can easily cause overheating and sparks. Keep flammable items like paper, curtains, and cloth away from heat sources. Make sure your smoke alarms are working properly and tested regularly. Prepare a simple escape plan so everyone in your home knows what to do during emergencies. Small daily habits like these can greatly reduce the risk of fire in your home. In addition to good safety habits, having the right fire safety equipment can help your home become even better prepared for emergencies. A working smoke alarm is one of the most important safety devices because it can warn you before a fire spreads. A fire extinguisher can help control small fires before they become larger and more dangerous. A fire blanket is another useful tool that can quickly smother small cooking fires in the kitchen. An emergency flashlight can help you move safely if smoke or power outages reduce visibility. A well-stocked first aid kit can be useful for treating minor injuries while waiting for professional help. When safety equipment and good habits work together, your home becomes much better prepared for unexpected emergencies. A house fire can happen unexpectedly, but knowing what to do can help you respond quickly and safely. Remember to stay calm, alert others, follow your escape plan, and call emergency services as soon as possible. Simple prevention habits and basic safety equipment can greatly reduce the risk of fire in your home. The best time to prepare for an emergency is before it ever happens. Stay safe, stay prepared, and help make your home a safer place for everyone. See you on the next one.